Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I am going to show you how to change home screen grid in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your app screen and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option and here you can see home screen grid. Then just tap here. Now from here you can change your home screen grid. At the bottom you can see four options: 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. And you can set any option as you want. If you want to set 4x6, just select it, then tap on done and it's done. Now you can see my home screen grid has been changed successfully. Also, if you cannot find this option here, just go back, then touch and hold on the home screen. Now here at the bottom you can see settings option, then just go to settings and here it is. And that is how you can change home screen grid in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.